Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So let's see what we are going to do today. And today we are going to do revision, and that is just in 30 questions. We will revise the full chapter Cell. Class 8, Chapter 8, Cell Structure and its Function. So be ready children for the first question. So here comes the first question. What is the basic functional and structural unit of life? Means जितने structure or functions होते हैं living being में, they actually happens inside the cell. So answer is cell. Next, which cell does not have nucleus? And the correct answer is blood cell. So why they do not have nucleus? So that more and more space is occupied by oxygen to combine with it. We all know that our blood carries oxygen and supply to each and every part. That's why the RBCs, they do not have nucleus in it. Now the next one, what is the name of the organism which can be seen only with the help of microscope? And the correct answer is microorganisms. What are the organisms which are composed of many cells packed together? It is known as multicellular. When many cells are combined, it is multicellular. For example, we human beings are multicellular. Now the next one, the powerhouse of the cell. So the powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. It gives energy to the cell. Next, again the same, the functional unit of life is cell, because all the functions takes place inside the cell only. Chloroplast is found only in plants. Why? Because chloroplast gives chlorophyll and that makes the leaf green. Next, the control unit of a cell, and that is nucleus. So nucleus control everything inside the cell. Next, single-celled organisms are known as unicellular. And if I ask you the multiple cells, it is known as multicellular. Next, they do not have well-defined nucleus. If they do not have well-defined nucleus, it is called prokaryotes. Karyotes means nucleus. Now come to the next question. So tissue is if you know the correct answer, tell me fast, or you can write with me. So what is tissue? Guess, think of it. The correct answer is group of cells. So tissue is a group of cells. Cell is discovered by, do you remember who was a scientist who has discovered cell from the cork? And the correct answer is Robert Hooke. The cells capable of changing their shapes. कौन से cells होते हैं? That is amoeba cell. Why? They do not have the proper shape, and the diagram I have drawn here. Hen's egg is a cell. So that is the best example of cell. Your common egg that we are eating. Next, these cells are branched, and diagram also I have drawn here, and they are muscle cells. Now the next one, eukaryotic cells or eukaryote cells have well developed nucleus like we come under eukaryotes. So we have proper well developed with a nuclear membrane nucleus. The jelly like substance found between the nucleus and the cell membrane. So can you guess what is the jelly like substance? And it is cytoplasm. And cytoplasm is the liquid in which organelles are present. Next, nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by, so that is nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane separates the proper nucleus from cytoplasm. Next, dash is absent in animal cell. Can you tell me what is not there in a body inside a cell? So the correct answer is cell wall. In animal cell, cell wall is not present. So the outer boundary is plasma membrane or cell membrane. But in plant cell, they have extra wall that is known as cell wall for protection, which is absent in animal cell. Next, name the cell in a body that can change its shape. Can you tell me what is the name of the cell जो अपना shape change करता है? And the correct answer is white blood cells. As they find some foreign particles or the bacteria, they change their shape, they engulf the bacteria or the foreign particles and destroy them. So these are also known as soldiers of our body. Next, it is also absent in animal cell, and what is that? Plastids. That is responsible for coloring of different color flowers and fruits in a plant. So it is absent in animal cell. It is the unit of inheritance in living organism. What is inheritance? Inheritance means you are similar to that of your parents. How come? There must be some combination or some link between you and your parents. So that is called inheritance, and that is genes. Genes are common in between you and your parents. Next, the entire content of a living cell is known as protoplasm. So what is protoplasm? It is a life-giving liquid in a cell. Which part of a cell contains organelles? And the correct answer is cytoplasm or cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contain mitochondria, chloroplast and different organelles which are present inside the cytoplasm. Cells that receive and transfer signals in our body, they are known as, yes, I have already drawn here, and that is a nerve cell, which is one of the longest cell also in our body. The correct answer is nerve cell. So the smallest cell. Can you tell me the smallest cell? And the correct answer is bacterial cell is the smallest cell. That's why we cannot see bacteria from our naked eyes. Next, the largest cell, and the largest cell is an ostrich egg. It is one of the largest cell. Next, it is a selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable means it can allow only certain particles to enter inside the cell. And the correct answer is plasma membrane. Next, the spherical body present inside the nucleus. Cell के अंदर, nucleus के अंदर भी there is a small spherical body, and that is known as nucleolus. Next, the thread-like structure present inside the nucleus, and that is chromosomes. So, let's see the structure of a cell. This is the smallest bacterial cell. So, now come to the plant and animal cell, which is the most important topic. So, here comes the structure of plant and animal cell. Can you guess, children, what is the first part? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Till fifth, things are common. Means they are present both in plant cell and animal cell. But 6, 7 and 8 are present only and only in plant cell. So let's see what is the first one. If you know the correct answer, you can write in the chat box or you can write in the rough copy. Let's see. Do you really know? So the first one is cell membrane, which is common in animal cell also and in plant cell also. And it is selectively permeable. Let's see the next one. If you know, please write down the answer. It is mitochondria, where actually the respiration takes place, or it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Let's guess the third one. So what is the third one? It is the nucleus, that is the control center of the cell. And yes, your genes or your chromosomes are also present inside the nucleus, children. Now come to the fourth one. Small brown color granular structure is known as ribosomes. So whatever the protein is required by your cells, they are made by these small ribosomes. Now the fifth one. Fifth is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a liquid which is present inside the cell, and this liquid contains all the organelles which you can see just now. So till here it is common in both. So let's revise once again. Cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, ribosome and cytoplasm. Now let's see the sixth one. And the sixth one is cell wall, which is present only and only in plant cell. It is made up of cellulose that gives strength to a plant cell. Now the next one, can you guess the next one? It is a vacuole. Yes, that makes the cell turgid, or it stores water inside it, or it is also known as cell sap. Cell sap means the water or the minerals are stored inside this vacuole. Next, and the last one, that is chloroplast, that gives color to the leaf. That is chlorophyll. So where the actual photosynthesis takes place. So if I ask you what is the site of photosynthesis, the correct answer is chloroplast. So this is the similarity and difference between plant cell and animal cell. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching, children. And coming up next, we have 30 more questions of chapter materials, metals and non-metals. So be ready, keep watching. Thank you so much.